Zoom lens and prime lens. What is the difference? Today I'll be breaking it down for you, the differences between these two types of lenses and which one you should invest in depending on these three types of photography situations. Let's go. Hey guys, it's the Mini Photog. In the beginning, when you're first starting out, not only is the camera body itself important, but the lens you decide to pair it with. The first lens we're going to talk about is a zoom lens. What is a zoom lens? A zoom lens can change focal lengths within a range. You basically zoom in or out. When people think of these type of lenses, they usually picture ones like this, a 70 to 200mm telephoto lens. Another type of lens is a Tamron 17 to 28. This is one of my favorites. It's considered a wide angle type. Now a prime lens does not zoom, but it is set at one focal length. Take this 35mm for example. I prefer to use a 35 as I like the wider look it has when I take portraits. A common prime lens that a lot of photographers have though is a 50mm. If you're just starting out, I would highly recommend you to get yourself a 50. It is great to learn portrait photography with this lens as it is the closest focal length to what our eyes see. If you're enjoying the video so far, be sure to subscribe to see more content like this. Let's now talk about the type of situations when you would use either lens. I'll be sharing three that I think are the most common. Say you like traveling a lot and are constantly on the go. A zoom lens would best fit you as you can constantly change focal lengths from wide to more close up. This would also be applicable when doing event and sport type of photography coverage, where you are positioned further away, to which a zoom lens can get you closer to your subject. If you just bought your camera and are taking a bunch of family pictures, friends also ask you to take pictures of them for their Facebook and Tinder profiles, then a prime lens would be best. Primes tend to be a lot more sharp. The aperture can be open wider on a prime, giving you a creamier blurred background, putting the main focus on your subject. The third situation would be in low lighting conditions. Because prime lenses have a wider aperture to let in more light, they are more ideal for darker lit areas. Although it's not to say these situations are the only times when you can use either type of lens, a wide angle prime lens, such as a 14mm, can be great for capturing landscapes and the Milky Way at night. A telephoto zoom, like the 70 to 200mm, can be great to capture portraits at a far off distance. When you're first starting out and are limited in budget, think about what you'll be mainly using your camera for. If you're taking photos of people, go with a prime. If you're just wanting to document your travels, I'd go with a zoom so that you don't have to worry about missing your shot and you can quickly adjust from just standing where you are. All the lenses I mentioned will be in the description below for you to check out. The lenses will be for Sony mount only, but Canon and Nikon have their own great lineup of zoom and primes. You can use both of these type of lenses for video as well, but I mainly wanted to discuss photography as video has its own type of challenges. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and as always, see you guys later. Bye.